In this video, we will show you how to use Prosperi Academy. If you guys want to get started with Prosperi Academy, you can use the links given down in the description. Prosperi Academy is a new investing app that serves a much different purpose than the other investing apps on our radar. Instead of offering brokerage services, a robo-advisor platform, or stock picks, Prosperi Academy's focus is investor education. Please read these subscription terms thoroughly and carefully. The purpose of these is to access investment learning materials. You should have any questions, don't hesitate to contact them through the support center. These subscription terms are incorporated by reference in the terms and conditions of Prosperi Academy and is part of the agreement. We may offer a paid total subscription for services provided through the website and or the app, unless you cancel at least 24 hours before the end of the trial. You will be automatically charged a price indicated on the payment screen for a chosen subscription period, and the trial will be converted into a subscription. The subscription renews automatically at the end of each period, otherwise depending on the options selected by you at the time of purchase until you cancel. Canceling your trial or subscription means that the automatic renewal will be disabled, but you will still have access to all your subscription features for the remaining time of then current period. Note that deleting the app does not cancel your subscriptions. You can cancel a trial or a subscription anytime by turning off auto renewal through your Apple ID account settings. To avoid being charged, cancel the subscription to your Apple ID account, setting at least 24 hours before the end of the free trial or then current subscription period. You can cancel a trial or subscription by clicking the unsubscribe button on your account before the end of the trial. Please note that only fulfillment of all the above requirements allows you to receive complete voluntary refund under a money-back guarantee. For the sake of clarity, the money-back guarantee does not apply to the following cases: personal reasons, financial reasons. Please note that you would still have to cancel your subscription without a voluntary refund by contacting the support center. If you are an EU resident, you have the right to withdraw from the agreement for purchase of digital content without charge, and without giving any reason within 14 days from the date of such agreement conclusion. Prosperi Academy offers comprehensive courses on personal development, business skills, and mindset training, making it worth considering for individuals seeking skills enhancement. However, the value depends on personal goals, learning preferences, and the specific content offered by Prosperi Academy. So that is how to use Prosperi Academy. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Prosperi Academy. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.